ओम गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नो दिभिः सीदसादनम्। ओम श्री महागणपतये नमः। शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। गजाननं भूतगणातिसेवितं कवित्तजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्। ओम श्री महागणपतये नमः। ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाशभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः। स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो भद्रश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। ओम नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं दर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं कल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षादात्मासि नित्यं ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानूचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चातात् अवः पुरस्तात् अवोतरातात् अवदक्षिणातात् अवचोर्ध्वातात् अवाधरातात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात्। त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वमानन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदितं त्वत्तो जायते सर्वं जगदितं त्वत्तस्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदितं त्वयि लयमेष्यति सर्वं जगदितं त्वयि प्रत्येति। हम भूमिरापो नलो निलो नभः त्वं चत्वारि वा आत्पदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वम् अवस्थात्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मास्त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वमिन्द्रस्त्वमग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरों गणातिं पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादीं सदनन्तरम् अनुस्वारः परतरः हर्देन्दुलसितं तारेण रुद्धम् एतत्तव मनुस्वरूपम् अकारः पूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वारश्चान्त्यरूपम् बिन्दुरुत्तररूपम् नादः सन्धानम् सगुंहिता सन्धिः सैषा गणेशविद्या गणकऋषिः निःसृद्गायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता। ओम गं गणपतये नमः ओम गं गणपतये नमः ओम गं गणपतये नमः ओम एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्तिः प्रचोदयात्। एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशमङ्कुशधारिणं रतं च वरदं हस्ते बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणमच्युतं आविर्भूतं च शिष्ट्यार्धो प्रकृते पुरुषात् परं एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरः। ओम नमो व्रातपदये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमथपतये नमस्ते स्थूलंबोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्नविनाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः। ओम श्रीमन्महागणाधिपतये नमः। So we always invoke a Mahaganapati before starting any class. So because we are starting a new text, it's called the Bhagavad Gita. I think all the Hindus they all know what is Bhagavad Gita is. So just like for the Christianity of Christian people, Bible is there. For Quran, for Muslims, for Hindus, the Bhagavad Gita is there. But the Bhagavad Gita is actually targeted for any human being. It does not consider race, religion, caste, or any other division. Right? So Bhagavad Gita is supposed to be learned, be understood by a human being in his lifetime. Otherwise, the life itself is a waste. Because it cannot be taught to an animal, it cannot be taught to a tree, it cannot be taught to a human being. So as a human being, we are all obligated to know what the Bhagavad Gita is. And especially we are Hindus, especially if you are Hindu and if you respect our tradition, then Bhagavad Gita is the most important text to be studied. First of all, you must do Parayana. So the first step of what we are trying to do is to teach you the right way of chanting. So there are 700 verses in the Bhagavad Gita, consisting of 18 chapters. Some chapters are long, some chapters are small. All the 18 chapters are divided into 3 parts. There are 6 sections in each chapter. So first 6 sections talk about the you, the individual, the Tvam, or Tvampadakshartaha. So the individual who you are is being elaborated in these first 6 chapters. The second 6 chapters talk about the Tatpadalakshartaha, mean who the Bhagavan is. So you, the individual, we, the individual, and is being introduced in the first 6 chapters. The second 6 chapters talk about the Bhagavan, who is Bhagavan. So you need to know who you are, you need to know who the Bhagavan is, then you need to know the connection between you and the Bhagavan. So the last 6 chapters talk about the Asi Padartha Lakshaha. So Asi Padartha means you are that. So the connection between Jiva and Paramatma is established. So I will try to, I'm not going to discuss elaborately because we already have a separate class for Bhagavad Gita, who some people are attending already. So I'm just going to give you a very brief introduction to start and what that mantra itself means, so that you understand the context of what the mantra is. Otherwise, it will be mechanical chanting. So I'll just give you a brief introduction of what the mantra says, the exact meaning of the mantras, etc. At some point of time, you can attend when we finish this course of the Bhagavad Gita, which is in chapter 16 right now. After we finish the 18 chapters, then I intend to restart another class. So in that class, you can rejoin the Bhagavad Gita from the beginning, and it will be detailed explanation of every verse. So chanting helps. Like we have the Suktam class, we already know the Suktam meanings, the chanting. But mere chanting is an academic exercise. So one needs to know at some point of time the meaning also. Okay. So today we are just going to start the Dhyana Shlokaha. Because it is an online class, you will have to repeat, or you have to repeat yourself 2 times. Just as we do a normal class, you have to be present in person. So you must not be, don't hide behind the camera. You have to be attending a class just as you are in front of teacher. So it's very important that, when any class you attend, you have to give the same amount of respect as you are attending a live class. If you are attending a live class of any particular person, you have to be there, your face should be seen, you should be there, present. So the same fundamental principle, the same discipline has to be there for an online class also. Okay. So with that, we will start the Gita Dhyana Shlokaha. So I'm going to say each verse or each 2 times, and then one of you can volunteer to chant with me if you want, or if you feel you're not comfortable, you can chant at your own pace. So depends upon who wants to. So don't worry about making mistakes, because mistakes are good to be corrected. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Om Parthaya Pradipoditam. Om Parthaya Pradiboditam Bhagavata. Om Parthaya Pradiboditam Bhagavata Narayaneya Swayam. Narayaneya Swayam. Om Parthaya Pradiboditam Bhagavata Narayaneya Swayam. Vyasena Gratitam Purana Munina. Vyasena Gratitam Purana Munina. Madhye Mahabharatam. Vyasena Gratitam Purana Munina. Madhye Mahabharatam. Om Parthaya Pratiboditam Bhagavata Narayaneya Swayam. Vyasena Gratitam Purana Munina. Madhye Mahabharatam. Advaitamritavarshini. Advaitamritavarshini Bhagavati. Advaitamritavarshini Bhagavati Ashtadashadhyayini. Ashtadashadhyayini Advaitamritavarshini Bhagavati Ashtadashadhyayini. Ambatvam anusandadhami. Ambatvam anusandadhami. Bhagavad Gita Bhavadeshini. Ambatvam anusandadhami. Bhagavad Gita Bhavadeshini. Om Parthaya Pratiboditam Bhagavata Narayaneya Swayam. Vyasena Gratitam Purana Munina. Madhye Mahabharatam. Advaitamritavarshini Bhagavati Ashtadashadhyayini. Ambatvam anusandadhami. Bhagavad Gita Bhavadeshini. Is it clear?
இது எங்க இருக்கு சங்கர்? எந்த நீங்க இங்கிலீஷ் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன். எந்த பேஜ்ல இருக்கு இது?
This is Dhyana Shloka I sent separately. I separately sent Dhyana Shloka.
Oh, okay, sorry.
So Bhagavad Gita I sent you the entire text. I sent you Dhyana Shloka also separately. So it should be there. So,
okay.
Is it clear, Soumya? All clear? If anything, shall we go next one? Okay, so I'll tell you what this means. Okay, this is an introductory verse or a benedictory verse, where how the Gita is introduced being talked about. So Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata. So Bhagavan Narayana itself actually gave this knowledge to Vyasa. And he's a Purana Muninam Madhya Mahabharatam. So in the Mahabharata middle, this particular Bhagavad Gita is being enumerated and narrated. Correct? And it is supposed to be Advaitam. So Advitiyam, Advaitam means non-dual. So duality means two. That is, me and the Bhagavan are different. It's called duality. So Advaitam Amrita Varshini. So Amritam means what? Nectar. So Amritam means that which is immortal is called Amritam. Mritam means that which is supposed to die. So Amritam Varshini means this is a showering or rain of Amritam which is given in this Bhagavad Gita. And Ashtadashadhyayinim, Ashtadashaha. Correct? So Ashta means 8 and Dashaha means 10. And Dhyayinim, Adhyayaha. So there are 18 Adhyayas and it is called Ashtadashadhyayinim. Then Ambatvam Anusantadhami Bhagavad Gita. So this Bhagavad Gita is being repeatedly invoked, and it is supposed to be the one responsible for removing the samsara. That is the meaning of the message. Okay. So I'll repeat once more, then we'll go to the next class. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayaneya Swayam Vyasena Gratitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamrita Varshini Bhagavati Ashtadashadhyayini Ambatvamanusandadhami Bhagavad Gita Bhavat Veshini. Next. Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe. Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe. Fullara Bindayata Patra Netra. Fullara Bindayata Patra Netra. Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe. Fullara Bindayata Patra Netra. Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha. Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha. Prajvalito Jnanamayah Pradipaha. Prajvalito Jnanamayah Pradipaha. Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe. Fullara Bindayata Patra Netra. Fullara Bindayata Patra Netra. Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha. Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha. Prajvalito Jnanamayah Pradipaha. Is it clear? You're able to follow? Okay. Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe. Fullara Bindayata Patra Netra. Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha. प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः. So 1 and 2 together now. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayaneya Swayam Vyasena Gratitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamrita Varshini Bhagavati Ashtadashadhyayini Ambatvamanusandhadhami Bhagavad-gīte bhavatpeshini. Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Pullara Vindayata Patra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajwalito Jnanamayah Pradipaha. So, second verse is clear to you? Able to follow? Okay. So, here also Namaha Astute Vyasaha. So, Vishala Buddhe, the one who has got wide knowledge, Vishala Buddhi, and the one who has got Fullara Vindayata Patra Netra, the one who has got beautiful eyes or lotus eyes. So, you Enatvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha. So, the one who is responsible for the Mahabharata, correct? Taila Purnaha. Prajwalito Jnanamaya Pradipaha. So, the Mahabharata is the scenario. And in the Mahabharata is a place where Bhagavad Gita is being enumerated and it is supposed to be Jnana Deepaha. So, Jnana Deepam means what? Light of knowledge. So, Jnana Deepam, light of knowledge. That's the meaning of it. Number 3. Prapanna Parijataya Totra Vaitrika Panaye Prapanna Parijataya Totra Vaitrika Panaye Jnana Mudraya Krishnaya Gita Mritatude Namaha Prapanna Parijataya Totra Vaitraika Panaye Jnana Mudraya Krishnaya Gita Mritaduhe Namaha. Okay. So it talks about the Parijata tree. So Prapanna Parijataya. Right? The one who is a wish fulfilling tree. It's called Parijata Maram. So Parijata Param. Totra Vaitrika Panaye. So the one who is holding a whip in one hand and in the other hand, he has got a symbol of knowledge. Right? So Jnana Mudraya Krishnaya. So Jnana Mudra. Chinmaya Mudra, Jnana Mudra. So Jnana Mudraya Krishnaya. Gitam Amrutam Duhe Namaha. Right? So Amrutam means what? Nectar. And Duhe means milk. Right? So Amrutam Duhe. So the milk, which is nectar of milk, is being presented here, and to salutation to this Bhagavan. So 1, 2, and 3 will now chant together so that you get a practice there. Okay. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayaneya Swayam Vyasena Gratitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamrita Varshini Bhagavati Ashtadashadhyayini Ambatvamanusandadhami Bhagavad-gīte bhavatveshini. Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Fullara Vindayata Patra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajwalito Jnanamayah Pradipaha. प्रपन्न पारिजाताय तोत्र वैत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः. Is it clear? Anyone wants to chant up to this? Who is confident?
I can do it.
You want to do it? Okay, go.
Yeah.
First, let's start with Krishna ji.
Oh.
First one you do, okay? First one, first line.
Okay. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasene Gratitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaita Mudavashinim Bhagavati Ashtadashadhyayini Ambatvamanusantadami Bhagavad Gita Bhavedveshini
Bhavat Deshini.
Bhavadveshini.
Ah.
Bhavadveshini, yeah.
Okay. Arvind, you want to chant number 2?
नमोस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः.
So the tune is a little bit different. See, Namostu te Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Fullara Vindayata Patra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajvalito Jnanamaya Pradipaha. So every verse is a different tune in this. So this particular verse, second line, the pronunciation is correct, doctor. The only the correct is Swara. Okay. Do you want to do Swami's third one? Third one you can do.
Prapanna parijataya totra vetraikapanaye Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Geetamritaduhe Namaha.
Very good. Very good. Badriji, you want to do any particular verse? Anything you want to do? First one, second one? What do you prefer?
Yeah, I can do the first one.
Okay, do the first one.
Om Parthaya Pradibodhitam Bhagavatam Narayaneya Swayam Vyasena Gratitam Purana Muninam Madhye Mahabharatam
Good.
Advaitam Mrutavarshinim Bhagavatim
Ashtadashadhyayini.
Ashtadashadhyayinim Ambatvam Anusandadami Bhagavad Gita Bhavadveshinim.
Good. You want to do next one also? You're confident?
Yep.
Okay.
Namostu te Vyasa Namostu te Vyasa
Namostu te.
Namostu te Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Pullara
Vindhayata Patra Netra
Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purna
Purnaha.
Valito Jnana Maya Pradipaha.
Okay, next one. Prapanna Parija. Srivasa, you want to say this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Prapanna Parijataya Thotra Vaitraikapanaye Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Geetamritaduhe Namaha.
See, Totra Ve Traika Panaye. Okay, not Totra Vai. Totra Ve Traika Panaye.
Totra Vaitraikapanaye.
Totra Ve Traika Panaye. So, Prapanna Parijataya Totra Ve Traika Panaye. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
I think you guys are getting it, so it's okay. Next, we'll go to the next one. Sarvopanishado Gavo. Sarvopanishado Gavo. Dogda Gopala Nandanaha. Dogda Gopala Nandanaha. Sarvo Panishado Gavo. Dogda Gopala Nandanaha. Partho Vatsa Sudhir Bhokta. Partho Vatsa Sudhir Bhokta. Dugdham Geetamritam Mahat. Dugdham Geetamritam Vahat. Sarvo Panishado Gavo. Dogda Gopala Nandanaha. Partho Vatsa Sudhir Bhokta. Dugdham Geetamritam Mahat. We'll do 3 and then we'll do repeat, okay? Vasudeva Sutam Devam. Vasudeva Sutam Devam. Kamsa Chanura Mardhanam. Kamsa Chanura Mardhanam. Vasudeva Sutam Devam. Kamsa Chanura Mardhanam. Devaki Paramanandam. Devaki Paramanandam. Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Vasudeva Sutam Devam. Kamsa Chanura Mardhanam. Devaki Paramanandam. Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Sarvo Panishado Gavo. Dogda Gopala Nandanaha. Partho Vatsa Sudhir Bhokta. Dugdam Geetamritam Mahat. Vasudeva Sutam Devam. Kamsa Chanura Mardhanam. Devaki Paramanandam. Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. See in verse number 4, Sarvaha Upanishado Gavo. So all the Upanishads is supposed to be the cow. So Upanishad is supposed to be Gavaha means cow, right? And Gopala Nandanaha. So Gopala Nandanaha is Dogda, means the one who is milking is Krishna. So Gopala Nandanam means what? Nandanam means child. Gopala Nandanaha, the one who lives in Gopala. Gopalaha Nandanam. Partho Vatsaha, correct? So the calf is called the Arjuna. So cow is supposed to be the Upanishad. The Krishna is the one who is milking the Upanishad, and the calf who is receiving the milk is supposed to be Arjuna, correct? So there are 3 things that there. Upanishad is there, the message is there, and the message is being given to Arjuna, who is supposed to be the Partho Vatsaha. Sudhihi Bhokta Dugdam Gita Amritam Mahat. So the Gita Amritam is being enjoyed by the calf. And just like the calf which actually sucks the milk from the mother, the same way the knowledge is being given by Krishna, which is in the Upanishad, and Arjuna is the enjoyer, the receiver. So here also we are all the calf. We are just enjoying the beauty of Bhagavad Gita. Then verse number 5, Vasudevaha Sutam Devam. So Sutaha means the child or this. So Vasudevaha. So he is the Vasudeva. Vasudeva Sutam Devam. Right. And he is a Lord, Devaha. And Kamsa Chanura Mardhanam. So Kamsam and Chanur, they are both Asuras. Right. And Mardhanam means destroyer of both the Kamsa and the Chanur. Right. So Devaki Paramanandam. So the delight of Devaki, even though Krishna is actually very troublesome, still there is always from the child, whenever they create problem also, there is a Ananda. You don't get angry with them because that is your nature. Small child, what will you get angry with? So Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadguru. So this Krishna is supposed to be the Jagadguru. And that Vande means what? When Namaskaraha, my salutations to this Krishna who is of the nature of Devaki Paramanandam, who is Kamsa Chanura Mardanam, Vasudeva Sutam Devam. So Devaha, Vasudeva Sutaha, Kamsa Chanura Mardanaha, Devaki Paramanandaha, Jagat Guruhu. Unto that, Krishnam Vande. Okay? Very brief explanation. From the first one until this, I will do once. Then we will Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayane Swayam Vyasena Gratitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamrita Varshinim Bhagavati Ashtadashadhyayinim Ambatvamanusandadhami Bhagavad Gite Bhavatveshini Namostu te Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Fullara Vindhayata Patra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Pajvalito Jnanamayah Pradipaha Prapanna Parijataya Totra Vetraika Paneye Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Gita Duhe Namaha Sarvo Panishadho Gavo Dogda Gopala Nandanaha Partho Vatsa Sudhir Bhokta Dugdam Gita Mritam Mahat Vasudheva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanura Mardhanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagat Gurum. Is it clear? So the second time I chanted, it was fast. It is that pace you have to chant. So when you practice, after that, you can chant at that normal pace. Okay? Not too fast, not too slow. Then, number 6. Bhishma Drona Tata Jayatradajala. Bhishma Drona Tata Jayatradajala. Gandhara Nilotpala. Bhishma Drona Tata. Bhishma Drona Tata Jayadratajala. Jayadratajala. Gandhara Nilotpala. Gandhara Nilotpala. Bhishma Drona Tata Jayatradajala. Gandhara Nilotpala. Shalyagrahavati. Shalyagrahavati Kripena Vahani. Shalyagrahavati Kripena Vahani. Karnena Velakula. Karnena Velakula. Shalyagrahavati Kripena Vahani. Karnena Velakula. Bhishma Drona Tata Jayadratachala. Gandhara Nilotpala. Shalyagrahavati Kripena Vahani. Karnena Velakula. You want to try? Anyone wants to try this? Somebody, you want to try?
Try. I can try. Oh, sorry.
Okay. After Shamaji, you can try, Krishna.
Bhishma Drona Tata Jayadratha Jala Gandhara Nilotpala Shalyagrahavati Kripena Vahani Karnena Velakula.
Good. Very good. Krishnaji, you try now.
Bhishma Drona Tata Jayadratha Gandhara Nilotpala.
Gandhara.
Oh, Gandhara Nilotpala. Shalyagrahapati Kripena Vahani. कर्णेन वेलाकुला
Shalya, Shalya, Shalya.
शल्य
Not
शल्य
Shalya, Shalya Grahavati.
ओ शल्यग्राहपति कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला
Okay, very good. Doctor, you want to try?
भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला.
Very good. Badriji, try.
भीष्मद्रोणतडा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला.
Okay. So, everything good, but the swara has to be corrected. Remember that. See, Bhishma Drona Tata Jayadratha Jala Gandhara Nilotpala Shalya Grahavati Kripena Vahani Karnena Vela Kula. Okay, you correct that. So swara is okay. Srivastava, you want to try?
भीष्मद्रोणतथा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला.
Good. Next one. Ashwathama Vikarna Ghora Makara. Ashwathama Vikarna Ghora Makara. Ashwathama Vikarna Ghora Makara. Duryodhana Vartini. Duryodhana Vartini. Ashwathama Vikarna Ghora Makara Duryodhana Vartini Sotirna Kalu Pandavai Rananadhi Sotirna Kalu Pandavai Rananadhi Kaivartaka Keshavaha Sotirna Kalu Pandavai Rananadhi Kaivartakah Keshavaha Ashwathama Vikarna Ghora Makara Duryodhana Vartini Sotirna Kalu Pandavai Rananadhi Kaivartakah Keshavaha Bhishma Drona Tata Jayadratha Jala Gandhara Nilotpala Shalyagrahavati Kripena Vahani Karnena Velakula Ashwathama Vikarna Ghora Makara Duryodhana Vartini Sotirna Kalu Pandavai Rananadhi Kaivartaka Keshavaha. See, here he introduces who are all the people who are there. So Bhishmaha Drona. Right? Tata means what? Tata means the banks. So the Bhishma and Drona are supposed to be the bank. So the whole of the Kaurava army is banking on Bhishma and Drona. These are two warriors. Right? And Jayadrathan is also another warrior. So Jayadrathan also is another warrior. He is a water. Right? So he is a water which is flowing in the banks. Right? Then Gandhara Nilot Utpala. So Gandhara means who is Shakuni. He talks about. So Gandhara Nila Utpalaha talks about Shakuni. Shakuni is also there. Jayadratha is there. So you learn Mahabharatam also along with this. So even the characters. So Jayadrathan, Shakuni, Bhishma, Drona are there. Right? Then who is there? Shalyaha. So Shalya. Right? So Grahavati means what? Shark. So Shalya Grahavati is the shark. And Kripena Vahani. So Kripacharya is also there. So Kripena means what? Kripacharya. Vahani then is the water, the force of the water. So Vahani means the force of the water. Then Karnena Vela Kula. So Karna is actually the breakers. So Karna is the putting the brakes on everything. So whenever Duryodhana does something, Karna advises, don't do this, or it is not good. Because Karna has got dharma, value. But because he is blinded by the faith or with support of Duryodhana, he supports adharma. So sometimes he puts a brake, sometimes it just lets it go. So it's called Karnena Vela Kula. So Bhishma, Drona, Jayadrathan, Gandhara, Nilotpala, which is Shakuni, Shalyaha, Kripacharya, Karna. Okay, so people are there. They are there. The introduction of who are the warriors is being introduced. Right? Then Ashwatthamaha. So Ashwatthama also is there. Right? Then Vikarna. Then Gora Makara. See, Gora means what? So, see, Duryodhana is supposed Gora. So Gora Makara means the crocodile. So Gora Makara. See, what a crocodile doesn't have any logic. If you go into the crocodile mouth, it will say, don't eat me, it will just eat. Because crocodiles, dharma is to kill and eat. So it's called Gora Makara Duryodhanam Avartini. Right? So Duryodhana Avartini means what? The whirlpool. So Duryodhana is like a whirlpool. Anybody who goes in Duryodhana's, they get sucked into it. Like Bhishma also gets sucked into it. All the people who are there, they get sucked into it. They do not know how to come out. It's like a whirlpool. It's just so emancipated by the victory and everything. So all these people are mentioned because that's why Gora Makara Duryodhana Martini. Right. Then Sotirnaha Kalu Pandavai Rananidhi. So Rana means what? The war. And the battle, the Rana Nadi is supposed to be like people are just lined up. The whole of the 5,000 people, 10,000 people are there. Right? And Sotirnaha Kalu Pandavai. So this Pandavas, they cross this river. How? Kaivartaka Keshavaha. Because Kaivartaka means the boatman. So as long as you got Bhagavan as a boatman, you can cross anything. You can cross anybody, you can achieve anything as long as Bhagavan's support is there. Means Bhagavan's Shraddha is there. So Pandava does not have the army, does not have the people of that caliber of Bhishma, Drona, etc. They're all Maharathis. Each of them can defeat thousands of people. But Pandava doesn't have anybody. He only has got 5 people are there. Out of the 5 people, only 3 people can fight. Correct. Only Bhima can fight, Arjuna can fight, the Yudhishthira's faction can fight. The other 2 are young people. Correct. So they are all not very. Yudhishthira also is not a great fighter. So only 2 people are there. But still they win the war. Why? Because Kaivarta Keshavaha. So this is Keshava, the Bhagavan, Krishna is there as the boatman. So the boatman, when you sit on the boat of the truth, then you can easily cross any problem, any river, without any worrying about anything at all. That's the message given here. So the message given is not the story. The story is given because people like Ashwatthama, Duryodhana, all of people are there. Like there are all bad people out there. You still have to cross this bad people and go across. How do you do? By riding on Satyam Dharma. So Satyam Dharma is with whom? With Bhagavan. So as long as you are on the side of the Bhagavan, nothing will happen to you. That is a message given here. Okay. You want to try this one? Any of you? Maybe Krishnaji, you want to try? The whole number 6, you want to try?
Whole number 6.
No,
okay. Bhishma Drona Tada Jayadratha Jala Gandhara
Gandhara Nilotpala.
Nilotpala Shalyagrahapati Kripena Vahani Karnena Velakula Ashwathama Vikarna Ghora Makara Duryodhana Vartini Sotirna Kalu Pandavairana Nadi Kaivartaka Keshava.
Very beautiful. Very good. Very good. Doctor, you want to try?
भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयत्रतजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णधोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोतीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तक केशव.
Uttamam, Ati Uttamam. Soumya ji, you want to try?
भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेयाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमगरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः.
Very good, very good. Badriji, you want to try?
भीष्मद्रोणतडा जयत्रदजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोतीर्णा खलु पाण्डवै रणनदी कैवर्तक केशव.
Kaivartaka Keshavaha.
कैवर्तक केशवः.
Okay. Shivatsa, you want to try?
Yeah. भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयत्रतजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोतीर्ण खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तक केशवः.
Sotirna Khalu Pandavairananadi Kaivartaka Keshavaha.
Okay.
Okay. So everybody is confident with the first 6 verses? So we will stop the class here because almost 7:27 now. Next class, next week, when we meet again, we will go through all this again in the beginning. So the syllabus of teaching is that I'm asking you to chant because in the class I can hear. Because in the online class I can't hear. So if there's any mistake in pronunciation, I can't correct. But we will try to give, at least each of us can at least do once. If there are mistakes, don't worry about it. Recording will be given to you. You can correct it at your own pace. So you've got 1 week to correct, go through everything. Remember, the pronunciation is important and the swara is important. Because when you are chanting in public, you go to other Arshavidya Gurukulam students, this is how it is taught. But the swara is taught. So don't be too fast, don't be too slow. And every word, every letter has to be given emphasis. Okay. So be careful about tha, de, tha, gha, gha. Be careful about it. Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purna Udachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vasishyate Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Harihi Om Tat Sat. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. So namaste.
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 Shivratri.
Thank you, sir.
So you didn't come Kadamashit class yesterday.
You earlier you had told yesterday there won't be any class, so I accepted for going to a puja. Last minute I can't cancel because of this COVID restrict. They can't call somebody else also. I got fired solidly for asking whether I can do away with coming to the puja. Then I quietly went there
Okay, no problem. Hari Om.
because now only 8 people can go for one function. So they specifically call only 8 people and they don't invite others. So it becomes an issue. if
The
we
recording
say
is there
no
for you to
last
follow
minute.
up. The recording is
People-
there in the website. You can follow. Hari Om.
Yes. Thank you, sir.